KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
Simple is now possible. KD Play makes multi-platform wireless casting and sharing easier than ever. Getting together with your friends or family members can be spontaneous and effortless on any screen in your home. Bring your own device and effectively share content from any PC, Mac, iOS, or Android without connecting any cables. All you need is Wi-Fi, and you can securely distribute your content from the palm of your hand and the comfort of your couch directly to your TV. In KD Play's multi-presenter mode, up to 4 people can share the screen simultaneously. With KD Play Flash, users can auto-launch to the KD Play screen without any software installation. Play a part in sharing laughter and memories with loved ones by displaying games, social media, or personal pictures and videos right on your living room TV. The KD Play system comes to you from HGTV pioneer and the father of DVD, Mike Sinberg. His team of award-winning engineers assembled KD Play to deliver the perfect combination of AV and IT connectivity for secure and easy integration with your network. Laugh, learn, play. Share beyond the screen. All with KD Play.
KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.